In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change workspace in Asana. If you juggle multiple teams, clients, or departments, switching workspaces keeps your tasks organized and your focus clear. A workspace in Asana is its own distinct area with separate projects, conversations, and permissions. Moving between them helps you see only what's relevant to the group you're working with right now. Start by heading to the top right corner of the Asana window. That's where you'll find your profile, shown as your photo or your initials inside a small circle. Give that a click. If your window is narrow, you may need to widen your browser or scroll slightly to reveal it, but it's always anchored in that upper right spot in both the web and desktop versions. When the menu opens, look for the section that lists your available spaces. You'll see a drop-down with every workspace and organization you currently belong to. Workspaces are often used for personal or small team setups, while organizations are usually tied to a company domain and can contain multiple teams under one umbrella. Don't worry if the names look similar. What matters is choosing the environment that matches where you want to work next. You'll only see spaces you're a member of, so if something is missing, you likely don't have access to it yet. Now click the name of the workspace you want to enter. As soon as you do, Asana will reload your view to that specific space. This refresh is normal and quick. After it loads, you'll notice the sidebar, the project list, and your home screen reflect only what exists in that workspace. It's a simple way to prevent cross-team clutter and keep your attention on the right projects and tasks. If you're confirming you switched correctly, check the workspace name near the top area of your screen and scan the sidebar. Your favorites and teams there should match the selected space. A couple of quick tips to keep transition smooth. Wait for the page to finish loading before navigating to a project, especially if you're on a slower connection. If you frequently move between the same few spaces, get familiar with their names or icons so you can pick them quickly from the list. And remember, each workspace has its own settings and members, so permissions and project visibility may differ from what you see elsewhere. That's all it takes. Click your profile, review the workspace list, and select the one you want. You're ready to focus on the right work in the right place.